What do you see down there?
A big ass fucking hole. Gaping hole.
Wait. We gotta show the people, man.
Why don't you take these two boards out and fucking open it and take the lid off?
I will. Give me a chance of building up the suspense. Okay, you shine the light back down there again. What if somebody killed somebody and put him down there? Oh, I can't even see the bottom. Okay, let's take some more boards and cookies. Somebody sealed it. Well, I don't know how we can get it up because it's super heavy. There's a big damn basement down there or something. So what the heck? You see, crawl down there.
Fuck you!
I'm gonna have to have help to get the lid. I'm hung up. Okay, this could be something super good or super bad. Let's see what's down here.
Your shaking really makes it more.
Suspenseful.
Yeah.
That actually scared me. There's like a wall of pummy block, but that looks like some kind of sewer pipe. But oh my goodness, do you think they wouldn't have used this for a sewer?
Looks like we saw a crocodile.
Are you serious?
You not seen that movie?
A crocodile?
Have you not seen that movie where there's crocodiles stuck in the bottom of the house and they're all stuck in the basement and they can't get out?
Oh, I did see that movie, but that's in like Louisiana, not Oregon. Gosh, well, there it is. So I don't know why it's there. It's kind of weird, but it was underneath this floor. But we had to make sure this flooring was on something stable before we extend the house. And there's wood on pummy blocks, so that's good. At least it didn't rot out, but that's kind of weird, super weird. Tune in next week to find out if there's treasure down there.
Or a crocodile.
Okay, update on day number
27?
Yeah, I lost track. But anyway, we got some walls gone. Andrew is currently removing some utility room items, such as the trim. We got this wall taken out. The power is off. We're still waiting on the power company to pull the meter. Meantime, I'm pulling the floor up because we will have quite a bit of plumbing to do because all this is not going to be used anymore. We got some wet floor issues where the water heater leaked. We'll be taking care of that. And meantime, we have some classic flooring from the 40s. And guess what they used to produce that flooring? That's right.
Asbestos.
Hey, that's my line. Jeez. The ever popular asbestos product made by companies like Owens Corning, who eventually knew very well that it was killing people. Right on, Owens Corning. Typical corporate greed. Wouldn't you say, Andrew?
Yeah, corporate greed.
Corporate greed. Who else is corporate greedy?
McDonald's. Burger King. The ham sandwiches, man. Arby's. A broke beef and cheddar is like $6 now. That's bullshit.
And why do you call that corporate greed?
Because it's inflation.
You gotta look at the camera.
No, because it's inflation.
Yeah. Pretty foggy today. Gotta realize that when you do a remodel, especially a bigger one, you're gonna create a lot of refuse, a lot of garbage. And that's why these big containers, these big dumpsters are come in handy. We're actually going to fill 2 of these things. Why, Rem? How are you? You come to visit? Oh, good boy, good boy. Yep, Rem, he likes to visit. course, remodels will always provide surprises. We've got a couple of surprises down here. As you can see, we have a dryer vent, which was never attached. So we're going to take that out of there. We can also see down there the old septic, the old sewer pipe. It's cast iron, probably a leaded joint like they did back in the day. But a little over farther, there's a new plastic sewer pipe. And so that explains that. So that was a septic tank, obviously at one time. Looks like a septic tank lid, and they probably just filled it in. What are we going to do with that? Not much, because I don't smell anything bad. But this, we're going to tear out the old dryer vent, and this is always easy access. The dryer hole down there for rodents to get into this house and eventually up into the house, which they surely did. So, part of the remodel process. That's why a lot of people don't like to do remodels. They'd rather do new construction so they don't have to deal with that. I kind of don't mind it because I think it's challenging to turn it. It's just restoration. There's plenty of it. And before we're through, it's going to look brand new.